Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news. Follow the Ivy League money. What in the world is the Ivy League doing with their money, and how does that relate to cryptocurrency? Well, we're going to dig into it. I need you to know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. So, in this article from the Harvard Crimson, so this is printed and written by a news site that's part of Harvard University. Harvard invests millions in new cryptocurrency. Harvard Management Company, the firm that oversees the university's multi-billion-dollar endowment, is now investing in a new cryptocurrency, Blockstack, according to Securities and Exchange Commission filings released on Wednesday. A move some experts have said is still unusual for investors of this magnitude. The new investment makes up less than 0.05% of Harvard's endowment, which is valued at nearly $40 billion. That's huge. Harvard manages a huge amount of money, but this is not the first time that they've been involved in cryptocurrency. This 0.05% investment is specifically into the Blockstack cryptocurrency token. So this does not represent their total involvement in various cryptocurrency, because this actually came out in April of 2019, and we knew over a year ago, around October of 2018, that Harvard and a number of other Ivy League universities were involved in cryptocurrency. But what we've talked about in previous videos is that if you want to be successful in investing, one of the best ways to be successful in investing is to find out what the smart money is doing, or said in another way, what the big institutions, what Wall Street, what endowment funds, what hedge funds are doing in the cryptocurrency industry, and then see how you can incorporate that information, that knowledge, into how you relate to the cryptocurrency market. And so I don't know a lot about Blockstack. I've read a few things online. I'm not at a place where I would personally invest in it, but given that Harvard in particular is investing in it, that's enough to tell me, hey, maybe I should do my own research into it. At this time, I haven't done my own research into it, but I saw this article. It caught my eye because, when Harvard's doing something, it's probably worth looking a little bit deeper into. One of the other things that I wanted to share with you is a report. Now, this one is from October of 2018, and it does talk about a multiple of Ivy League universities. So over a year ago now, multiple Ivy League and other prestigious U.S. universities are said to have made investments into at least one cryptocurrency fund. I just realized I should probably talk about today's date, because I don't know when you're watching this. You might be watching this right after I recorded it, or you could be watching it a year or more after I recorded it. So today is November 23rd, 2019. So it's 2019, and it's a little over 1 year since this was written. Anyway, back to the article. The report was published by the technology news site Information Wednesday, October 10th. Citing an unnamed source, the information reported that the multi-billion-dollar endowments of Harvard University, Stanford University, let me try and highlight this better. Harvard University, Stanford University, Dartmouth College, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and the University of Northern Carolina had all invested in the crypto space. This is a sign of the asset class growing acceptance among institutional investors, the source said. Harvard's endowment is reported to have hit $39.2 billion during the fiscal year of 2018, making it by far the largest university endowment across the globe. In the wealthiest U.S. college rankings for the previous fiscal year, both Stanford and MIT endowments scored within the top 10, 4th, and 6th, respectively, with Dartmouth College and the University of North Carolina also appearing in the top 25. Now, the interesting thing about this is since this article was written a number of months later, a survey was done with 150 different endowment funds. 94% of them have invested in cryptocurrency. That is a significant number. And so the takeaway, now I'm not a financial advisor and I'm just sharing my personal opinion of the takeaway I get out of this information, and that is cryptocurrency is here to stay and it's worth looking into for investment purposes. So I hope that I have been useful to you. I hope you found this interesting. If you have any questions about what I shared today or any questions about cryptocurrency in general, please leave a comment below. I also have set up a Google form, and if you fill out that form, you can ask me questions privately if you don't want to do it publicly in the comments below. In the meantime, I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and hodl. Have a fantastic day.